Death is not only the last part of life, it's the end of it. Because of that, many cultures from different corners of the world have given to it a different meaning and embraced it in other ways. This had led to the creation of different types of death rituals, which is a way for people to say goodbye to the ones they love or just thanking them for what they have done. In Europe, almost any country has its own rituals of death. For example, in Ireland, the ritual consists in mourning the dead one for an entire night in their own home. This ritual has some special characteristics, like leaving the window for 2 hours to let the spirit leave the house, raising the dead one in white, washing their body, covering mirrors, stopping the clock at the time the person died, and using candles. But there are also other important death rituals like the ones in Romania and Netherlands. In Romania, for example, there is a very important ritual named Privegi that is very popular and which most of the population follow. This ritual consists in the morning the person for about 3 days. Also, most of the times women sing a traditional song named the Sunrise Song in order to make the journey to the afterlife easier. The most traditional people do a small dance around the coffin, which was done principally with masks, but nowadays is omitted. The closest people throw many things like clothes, objects, and dead animals. Earth is thrown over the coffin clothes to symbolize it is going to be soon under it. Wine, water, and incense is also thrown over it when the ritual is about to finish. Now, let's talk about the Netherlands. In the Netherlands, years ago, when someone died, families and friends were notified personally about the disease. Nowadays, it's more common to give the news by sending a card or putting an obituary on a newspaper. The ritual has some specific rules that have to be followed. People cannot arrive to it unless they have an invitation. The ritual usually does not take the place on a church. It can be in different locations. There is a big emphasis on wearing black during the ritual. Also, people who does not wear it may not be accepted during the process. As in these two funerals may not seem similar or the ones that have the longer or most impressive rituals, but they are unique and have a deep meaning for the people who practice them. Now, we can see that the death is an important factor that substantially most culture, society, has developed many rituals in order to make this chapter of life easier, leading to many interesting traditions as the ones mentioned before.